So hello. I have a problem with this Toyota Aygo. My cigarette lighter's not working. I need to charge. So as you can see, if I will put this and turn the key on, there's no light in it. And even if I will charge, it's not working at all. So it should work there. So it's not working. So even if I change this one as well, I bought this in Thailand, and so still not registering. No power at all. So I suspect that the problem is the fuse, but mostly Opus is not well tuned to fixing things like this. But today I'll give you the window so that once your Toyota Aygo is experiencing this cigarette lighter power is not working, then you can do this. Okay, so let's start. The fuse box, the fuse box is the problem first to be solved. Where is the fuse box of this Toyota Aygo? So as you can see, I put my key here. So basically you put the key and then so that you can turn the steering wheel. Then after that, you see, you turn it sideways like this. You can see a screw there, one, and on the other side is here as well. So all you need to do is to grab a Phillips screwdriver and open it. I have a very good scenery here so that you can open this thing. So once you open that, and then same thing on the other side. Okay, so this is real time, so it takes time a little bit anyway, so that I can show you. So there's two screws only. This is a Toyota Aygo 2006, and it works with all Toyota until 2014. And then this is the, you need to like that. Oh, this is a very good pass. So like that, and voila. So you take this cover out and bring it there, and you see there's a fuse box, fuse location here. There's a fuse location here. So let's zoom in that. So we're looking at the left side, and also there's a fuse box on the right side there. So these are all fuses, but we need to concentrate on the left. because this is where the fuse for this cigarette lighter. So here, so as you can see, it's there. So just count there from top 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it is a 15 amp fuse. How do I know that? Then I will show you why, how I know it. I put it already, but for the sake of the video I put it in and you'll see. So grab a plier like this, and then you can pull. So that is the problem. It's a 15 amp fuse, and you can check it anyway. Look at this. So there, you see that it's broken. So I have a spare here, and you can see it's not broken. So we're going to put it back there. So you can use this thing again. Grab this thing and then put there. Hope you can see it. Now I'm putting it there now. Oh, that's a problem, but don't worry, I have another one here. Oh, it's falling out again. I have another one here. So that is 15 amp. So I can put it with bare hands. You see that? You see that? So you can see. If I will put it, so I put it now, and then you can see. Now it's power. So we solved the problem. We already solved the problem here. So that's how you change it. But the problem now is I dropped the other thing. It was here. Anyway, don't worry about that. So that's how you change it. And now we'll put this thing here. And now let's grab and then put the screw here, and the same thing on the other side here, and that's ready to go. So it's really amazing, isn't it? Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope I help you with your problem as well. So that's how you fix the cigarette lighter fuse. The location is here. So the location is here, just just there, the location on the left, and then back this one, and then put the screws here, and ready to go. And one thing more, you need to have this extra fuse. You can buy that on auto parts. And okay, so thank you for watching. So my car stereo is working now. Okay, let's start it. Now I'm charging the phone now. So thank you. This is Toyota Aygo 2006. Cigarette lighter, fuse location, and how to fix it. Alright, thank you and God bless.